Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi BlackShark 5 device, and now I can show you the top 3 best themes for your device. So on the third place we have a theme that fully replicates the iOS design. It's called Style iOS, so let's find it. Find Style iOS and click search. Open the page with this theme, click free button to download it, and cool, as you can see, this theme changed lock screen, home screen, system icons and system icons and normal icons on your menu screen. So click apply and go back to the home screen. So as you can see, it changed all the icons in the menu, on the home screen and even in the settings menu. It's the third most popular theme on all themes store. So this really popular and great theme. It redraws all your system icons on your settings application and redraws colors on your system application too. So that's it. Now I will show you theme from the second place in our top. So find this theme called Clouds. So find Clouds theme. As you can see, here we have theme, click more, scroll down, scroll very down, and find the theme with the anime girl on the wallpaper. Click free, click apply, and go back to the home screen. As you can see, this theme also redraws all icons on the home screen, changes the visual appearance of the clock, and also sets the anime style background on your settings application. Cool. And in first place is probably the hydrogen ball theme. So let's find this theme. Just find hydrogen ball. Click apply. As you can see, this theme also changes lock screen, home screen, system and icons. So go back to the home screen, and cool, as you can see, this theme is incredible. It redraws not only the system icons but also the widgets. It will give your smartphone a new lease of life. The new colors not only do not interfere but also contribute to a comfortable use of your smartphone. As you can see, icons are drawn in my settings application too. So that's it. I think this is the most beautiful theme, and this theme redraws your lock screen too. This theme sets the video wallpaper on your lock screen, but if you want to unlock your device, you need to swipe from left to right, not from down to up. Okay, so to unlock your device with this theme, you need to swipe from left to right. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.